Hi everybody, welcome to your weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. You know what time it is. New Music Friday. Reggae icon Ken Booth smiles with the tropical R&B singer Lady L. The two have joined forces, chronicling the tale of two lovers who find themselves inseparable with the release of their latest single, Smile With You, released Friday. Produced by renowned Mott Music Group and G Black Records, the track is a perfect blend of Booth's smooth and rich velvet vocals and Lady L's soulful and captivating melodies. Speaking with E Prime Thursday at the private listening party for the track at Tough Gong Studio, Lady L shared on the making of the single.
All right, so I was invited over to Mr. Booth's house to meet him, and my husband played a tune that we wanted to work on, and instantly Mr. Booth heard melodies and started singing them out loud. And I pulled out my phone and started recording, and the melodies came out of me, and all of a sudden we were harmonizing, and half the song was done. And then I took it home and worked on it some more and came back, and that's how it started.
While Booth shared that the song comes from a place of realism.
And the song is about reality, no illusion in this song, you know. It's so awesome, and the reality about it is that this copyright reminds me of me and my wife, because they're truly in love, you know, and they wrote this song, both of them. And I'm glad to be a part of this project, you know.
Oh baby, so many things I see, and I know you'll always be true to me. And I'll always have your back, darling.
Niger Boy receives a standing ovation and declared as one of the greatest ever. Earlier this week, the fast-rising dancehall star was specially invited to a sitting of the New York State Assembly session by Assemblywoman Alicia Hindman. Caught completely off guard, Niger Boy was introduced to the House by Assemblywoman Hindman, who announced that he has been working for her as an office intern. Almost like a proud mom, she listed some of his noteworthy accomplishments.
So if you don't know, he has over 550,000 followers on Instagram. He has over 233,000 monthly listeners on Spotify. He has over 160,000 streams last week for his newest song, Judgment, on Spotify. So Nigel Hector, also known as Niger Boy, has also been my intern, and he hails from Springfield Gardens, Queens.
But what came next was far beyond what Niger Boy could expect, as his face was met with a big grin when he received a warm welcome from Speaker of the House, Carl Heastie.
We welcome you here to the New York State Assembly, extend to you the privileges of the floor. Thank you for your contribution to music and arts and such an incredible following. Also, we look forward to hearing you at UPS. Continue your great work. Know you're always welcome. Thank you, sir.
Following the circulation of the clip, the Judgment singer was declared as one of the greatest human beings by dancehall star Mr. Vegas. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.